It's Peter Herku here, and I would like to give you a very high-level demonstration of HerkuXL. HerkuXL is a training program that is designed for individuals, professionals, and teams to learn how to continuously improve their performance, how to reduce costs, how to improve efficiency. Um, all you have to do is to log in into our system, and then you can do it from any device you want, from any place you want. Depending on your level, you will have at courses, you will see different programs. You can have yellow, green, or black belt level of training, or all of these three. As you can see in this demo, I have completed green belt. That's why you see this checkbox here. This demonstration is to show you that how HerkuXL works. Probably you have the question already, does it work for me? Does it work for my company and in my industry? We have actually completed this training in industries like healthcare industry, manufacturing industry, service industry, technical service, maintenance industry. So it's for sure it will help you in your own situation as well. Your team should get into the system at least once a day during the working hours, maybe 10 to 15, maximum 20 minutes every day, because it is proven the best way to achieve results. What results can you expect? It depends on the measurement you choose for your improvement projects, but we have seen 30 to 75% improvements in terms of mistake reduction or quality improvements, efficiency improvements. Financial results are up to $100,000 on an annual base. So all you have to do is to spend 10 to 20 minutes in the morning and go through all the different segments of this training. After each module, starting from module 4, define phase, you have the possibility to do a test. Here you can complete a short quiz that will help you to give you feedback on how you understood the subject matter. After these modules, 4 up to 8 modules, you have to complete each quiz, and when you succeeded with that, you will be able to get your certification. Depending on your level, you get, for example, if you have completed the green belt certification, you can get your certificate delivered to you. So what you need is to log into the system and every day just do 10 to 20 minutes training where you can prepare for your day, to find your possibilities every day to improve the work that you do, improve the process that you're part of, and in this way, if you are a manager, your team will really work on the business every day, not only completing their daily tasks, but really will be motivated to think about how can we do it better for the customer, how can we do it better for our company, and how can we save time and save money in order to excel or situation. So thank you very much for your attention, and I would like to encourage you to use this system every day to keep your focus on continuous improvement. Thank you.